I'm about to show you a sneak peek of how GenSpark has completely transformed how I teach anything, really. Like as an educator, GenSpark is a game changer. I had a workshop just today was day one, and today I built an app, I built a whole workbook, and then I built a whole presentation, and I did all this in an hour. That like blows my mind. This would have took like a month to try and figure out how to do the whole workbook, step-by-step guide for everything, how to build an app. Like I vibe coded this at 2 a.m. for like less than 20 minutes. Like it took like 4 rounds to get to the final version of where it is right now. And I'll talk about demos of everything, how this all works kind of thing per se. But the fact that I built an app, built a workbook, and built a presentation within an hour for my 5-day AI agent workshop, like this is amazing. Like this took a month's work and condensed it to an hour. Like that's blows my mind, all using one AI tool. So this is just a really like example, real use case. Cause for me, I had to go give a presentation today. GenSpark did all this, like, and so if we kind of peek behind the scenes, and I'll show you that as well too, we can start looking at a little bit of some of the prompts on what I'm doing. But the basic features of what I'm using in GenSpark, I always start with the super agent. Think of him like your manager, and so you're going to give him like the whole like concept of like the program, the curriculum, the 5 days where you're going to talk about. Just dump all that text in, and then you ask for what do you want. So started off, I wanted a presentation, and so I had to build a presentation for it, and it matched my brand colors. Now there's a few pro tips when working with presentations. One is definitely going to come down to your prompt. You're not going to get it perfect right out the gate, but I gave it a whole bunch of information. It actually was coming from the super agent. So the super agent was like, yo, we got to create a presentation. So that's why I spun up a whole new conversation. It's a little annoying to go because it's not in the same thread. So you can't go back to the original conversation to go and find it. And their search feature is a little difficult to get through. So this is a pro tip that I highly recommend when you start working with complex projects, is you really have to have a digital notebook. You have to use Notion to get the most out of GenSpark, honestly. Like they're like peanut butter and jelly. They go so well together, but you can't have one without the other. Like it's that dangerous of a combination. It's that powerful to have them together, because basically this is a Notion document that's basically my whole presentation for the actual course that we were teaching. It's a 5-day build your first AI agent, but you're secretly going to build an army of AI agents in 5 days. It's kind of gangster. Everything's in Notion, and everything here is hyperlinked so that you can see, oh, this is the GenSpark conversation for a presentation. This one is and they're all hyperlinked to those specific conversations. So if I click on one of them, for example, it takes me to that page where here I go work on the workbook, for example. So that's why it makes it a lot easier to save all your conversations in GenSpark in Notion around context files. We teach this inside of our Notion course, so that you could quickly find the files and resources that you need to make any edits. So if I want to make any edits to any of these apps, documents, or presentations going forward, then it's very easy to find the conversations because they're all saved in Notion. Then I'm having a lot of fun with the document generator, because this is creating really fun step-by-step handouts for students so that they walk away with the document. It has all the details. And all I'm doing is like create a comprehensive day 1 AI agents workshop workbook. This is coming from a conversation with GenSpark, so it knows the whole curriculum and the details basically. And so this is basically a call to action. So basically it turns all of that into a PDF workbook that I give my students. And they love these workbooks because it goes step by step and has everything that they need. It's all like nicely organized and so forth. So I can't show you. I can't show you all of it. But the real fun is really when you play with the different tools. Highly recommend play with the different tools with no business objective. Just play with them so that you don't feel like you're going to break anything and there's no pressure. Because when it comes time, it was literally 2 a.m. and I'm working on the presentation because I'm actually like curious about this. I want my students to have a really good experience through the workshop and like feel really confident with AI agents. So I was like, what more resources can I give them? And I was like using GenSpark, and I wanted them to build like a little assessment so that they can assess where they are, basically where are the opportunities for them to add AI agents in their business. And at first it was going to be like a worksheet, and then they got to like do the math of like calculate your hours times how many hours of that task times your hourly rate and stuff. And I was like, man, there should be a tool like that. And I was like, wait a minute, I could vibe code in GenSpark on my iPad tablet in bed at 2 a.m. It blew my mind. And it took about 5 iterations to finally get to the working product of what you see here. but it does it flawless. And there's different functions to it now. Now it's a full application of business tool that we're teaching inside of the 5-day AI agent workshop so that they can build prompts for their AI agents. They can identify the biggest time consuming tasks. Like, this is dope because for me, like, this vibe code app, and they can use it. It actually stores, it doesn't actually store data permanently. It's actually just stored in the browser using browser cookies. Like, I could close this and open it back up and I don't lose the data. So it's actually still stored. So these are records where basically the game, basically what I'm teaching has a little sidebar that pops in and out. This is so fun. Like, and then I kept adding more features too, basically added one to build a prompt generator. This is a prompt generator to build for custom GPTs. And this is a prompt generator for building AI agent prompts. So this is a pretty gangster tool. So the way it works, they go and answer emails. It's a very high business critical task. How many hours do you spend a week doing this? Let's say 7. What's your hourly value? Let's say 200. Is this a category like marketing, sales, operation, or just life? Because we'll find opportunities for life. And then it saves, and then you click add, and it saves it down here. It adds it, and then it totals like, okay, there's 5 tasks. They're taking close to 40 hours a week of your time. That's roughly $7,000 of your time is being wasted during these tasks. So then it prints out a little report, which is even more dope for me. My students, this is so dope. I vibe coded this at 2 a.m. with no coding and like 4 prompts. That's why I love GenSpark. And then it does a little report summary, shows high, medium, low, and breaks this all out. Like, this is such a powerful app that I just built for my students. And I would not have been able to do it had it not been for GenSpark. That's why when I show you these videos, one is to show you real world case studies, basically of how I'm using it basically in my business. And then the second side is you're not seeing me use like 14 different tools. This is just one tool. And I really want you to be like a master of the AI tools. You don't need like 14. There's like maybe 5 that are like super dangerous. And we teach them all inside the AI community. So this is just a use case of basically how now I teach. I got my presentations dialed. I've got my workbooks also dialed down. And then now I could build business apps fully functional for the students to get ahead. Like, this makes teaching for me so much more fun. And then all the knowledge, the notes, everything is saved in Notion. So that's why it's a dangerous combination. If you want to hang out with other entrepreneurs around the world that are nerding out on AI, they're literally using AI in their business to make money. We just had 2 students cross the $10,000 per month in monthly revenue for them. And we're the only program that meets 5 days a week regularly with classes, workshops, live guest speakers. I'm on a mission to transform entrepreneurs' lives with AI. It's such a game changer. Like, if you want to save 10, 20 hours a week in free time using AI, come join us. We have classes, workshops, hands-on labs for you to actually get the skills to learn how to leverage AI in your business. And I'll see you there for get started with a free 7-day trial. Link down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.